water.
Teacher, yesterday I forgot my helmet, but I still rode my motorbike. Was that okay?
Oh no, you shouldn't ride without a helmet. You should always wear it.
Wonderful, and then your safety is very important.
Choose. I share my password with my friend on Facebook.
No, you shouldn't.
You should keep your password secret.
Good. Jack, you should always be careful online. Check your personal information.